Today for psychic reading, I have this news where a man he walked into a sewer just to explore and find what is inside a shithole or inside a garbage tunnel. And then, as he kept walking, he lost his way. And then he saw one manhole which was open, and he kept crying for help. And it took 3 days for somebody to actually figure out where the cries were coming from or where this person was, and then they were able to rescue him. If you would like to read more about this case, you can just check the description box. I've given the link to the news piece, which is what I do for every psychic reading. So now I'm going to do is just Google some abstract art, and then I will study it for an answer whether he will do this again or not. So the artwork I've got is Jesus with the halo, and now I'm going to study this artwork a little bit closely. See, if we look at the halo, it's looking like a sun, blazing sun, and Jesus, or in the artwork, the person has a lot of sweat on him, and the sweat is just coming off all over the body. There is a lot of black, either dust or dirt, it's looking like, which is on him. So I'm just studying this artwork in a very practical way, not in a spiritual way, just to find an answer. So, and his eyes are closed as well. So I'm just saying that, one, if this man Antonio plans to go exploring the shithole or shit tunnel again, and then most likely I am seeing that with the eyes closed, he will possibly just pass out because of how bad will be the smell, or just by sweating so much, being underground, and with the halo or the sun behind, it's just telling me it is going to be something he won't be able to tolerate. The filth in the shithole or the tunnel that he will experience will be something he won't be able to tolerate. So I'm seeing that even if he tries it again, I will answer the question later whether he will attempt it again or not. I'm just saying that if he attempts it again, mostly he will come out either fainted or he would not make it. Now, is it likely that he will attempt it again? So I'm looking at the Jesus face, and it is slightly tilted to the left. And to the left is usually a no. I mean, that's how I read the vibe, I read the art, that if something is to the left, it's mostly no. So I am seeing that between a yes and a no, whether he wants to go exploring the shit tunnel again, he will decide to not do it. And the reason is, in the artwork I am seeing the face is slightly to the left of this artwork. So in this artwork, this man's face is slightly to the left, suggesting a no. So looks like Antonio will not attempt it again.